Okay, y'all ready to turn heads this Derby day? I'm Madeline and I will be your stylist today for your Kentucky Derby themed party. So I'll be giving you outfit ideas that are easy, classy, totally contest win worthy, and bonus, they won't break the bank. So grab your sparkling rosé if you got it, or your mint juleps, and we're gonna start in your closet. So first things first, you're gonna grab a pretty dress that you have, something that has simple colors, bold colors. A midi dress is more on Kentucky Derby style. So you'll start with your own dress that you have and your heels. I just picked out the dress that I wore for Easter. And then the next thing that you're gonna do is find a button-down shirt and some either slacks or shorts for your partner. This is what I picked out for my husband. It's just a white shirt, pretty basic, and button-down shirt, and then some golf shorts that he had. So the next step after picking out what you already have in your closet is step 2, is getting your Amazon accessories. So for my husband, I got him a matching little bow tie for pretty affordably on Amazon. And then I also got him a fedora, and I bought some matching feathers in the same color as the color palette. And then I bought myself this white hat, plus this is a clip-on fascinator that already has feathers and flowers. And then as you can see, I've got these big feathers up here. So really what I did after buying these accessories on Amazon is I got out my glue dots and I took the fascinator, it has its own clip, and I clipped it in on top of the white hat, and then I took the glue dots and I slid the feathers in so that they would be going up nice and high. And then lastly, for my husband, I did the same thing with the glue dots and the feather. And you see how there's a little opening in the side of his fedora, and I just slid it in. I gave him a little smaller feather for the guy, but I think it is a nice touch. So I can't wait to show you the finished product of the two of us and our full outfits. So some final style tips for you is to choose a bold color or a simple floral pattern that will make it easy to find quick matching colors. For example, royal blue was something that was easy for me to search on Amazon, and then put the feathers together to make us match. And then matching with your partner makes a bold statement for those voting judges. So I'm gonna put links to the hats, the fascinators, the feathers, the earrings, the jewelry, and all of that all down here on this video. So tag me in all of your Derby looks. I would love to see what y'all put together, and I would love to feature viewer outfits. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more theme party styles. Have a great Derby day.